Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rev Moto Garage. We're going to be installing some new mirrors on our brand new 2024 Kawasaki z650. And yes, if you're wondering, looking at this box, I did get them from Amazon. Some of you may agree or disagree on that. But for about $40, they're pretty cool looking mirrors. They got really good reviews. But today I'm going to be showing you how to remove the old mirrors, which, as we all know, on most of these motorcycles, it is completely obnoxious the way that they look. And these new mirrors are nice, low profile, inexpensive, seem to be of pretty decent quality, and I will show them to you before we get them installed on the motorcycle, but definitely good value. In comparison for price, if you're looking for some aftermarket brand name mirrors, they're going to be pretty expensive. But let me just show you guys real quick the new ones, how they come in the box. These things are pretty cool, and the way that they look from the perspective of how they're going to come out in comparison to the old, actually a little bit wider field of view. Yes, the glass is not as tall as the factory, but I think they're gonna make up for it by the wider panoramic view capability. But so let's get on with the install here and show you guys how to. As you can see on the left side, same as the right, has a little cover and pull up to get your mirror off. Careful not to make the mistake of undoing the 4.5mm Allen screw, because that will adjust your whole handlebar and clutch position, and we don't want to do that. So we're going to be using a adjustable crescent wrench to get the old mirror off, and should be pretty easy. Just got to loosen it up and then twist it right off. Look at that. Look how simple that is. Gone. Gone with the old. Now the new, I have already pulled the pieces apart, and it includes with these Amazon kits. Beside the mirror, you have all your parts necessary for a wide variety of mirror screw types and thread counts. Yeah, really pretty simple. You're going right back in the same position to put in the new set and drop in. I'm going to be using the supplied Allen key, which is nice that they include that in case you don't have one. You can easily get that installed on here. And as you can see, that's pretty cool looking. Pretty cool looking. Completely adjustable, and you can tighten your mirror in the adjustable position that is best for you based on your height and riding angle. But these things are pretty cool. I mean, less than 40 bucks, You can't beat this on a nice looking low profile mirror replacement. It's gonna be the same thing on the other side. Pop up that rubber cover. Loosen it up. And pull it right off. Hopefully these mirrors don't, I didn't see anything in the review on Amazon regarding the see, they come wrapped up nice in plastic. But I didn't read anything on the reviews from anyone stating that, you know, they moved around during riding. Once you have them tighten it up, I'm sure it's not an issue. You can even get yourself some of the Loctite that doesn't hold a permanent bond, so that if you need to replace them again or any reason you need to remove them, it'd be easy to do so. But we got caps that come included with the mirrors, so that you can cover that hole in there. Make sure there's no water or moisture getting in there, and get any rust on your screws that are sitting in. And wow, these look good. They look amazing. I'm telling you, these are pretty nice. Less than 40 bucks. Look pretty good. I'll get them adjusted to my liking. But listen, everybody, thanks for tuning in. Rev Moto Garage. Appreciate you watching. Please like and smash that subscribe button. Have an awesome day.